proseso, daming intriga.
Daming pinagdaanan ng proseso, daming intriga. But again, I think given what's been happening, it's warranted. It's warranted. At the end of the day, Congress is answerable to the Filipino people. Whatever they demand of Congress, Congress should abide by. So whatever reforms in terms of transparency, accountability, open BICAM, I am all for that. So dapat lang. Dapat lang. I mean, you know, let's be honest with ourselves. I'm now on break from what? October ano ngayon? October from October 13 to November 10. That's almost a month.
Yeah.
So, I mean, okay lang if habang may session, you know, we go, we work overtime or whatever. May mga break naman kami para makapaghinga, para makapag-ikot dito sa distrito. Again, Congress is answerable to the Filipino people. So any demands that they might have in terms of transparency, accountability, and openness in terms of the budget process should be abided by and followed to the T.
Okay.